Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you Wix Dynamic Pages tutorial. Let's get started. So right now, I am on the Wix website that I have created. So just click on this edit site right here and this will direct you to the Wix website editor. So once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to install the Content Manager. Head over to the search bar right here and search in here for Content Manager. So once you have searched for that, you should be able to see the content collections. But if you can see that, you can also just head over and click on this dynamic pages. So click on dynamic pages right here and then add the CMS. So here's the CMS right here. Click on that. Click on get started. Then as you can see, click on add the site right here and then this will add the CMS for you. So adding the CMS will essentially allow you to actually create a dynamic pages. So just choose a preset that you want to use. So since I am a seller and on the site I will sell things, I will need to be able to look for things that will allow me to sell my items. So for this, I'll just choose this item list. So click on add the site. Then this in here will create the pages. So this will add a dynamic list page. So in here, it will be created. So in here, you can see the item list wherein you can just edit it and then put some projects that you have right here. So you can also put in some titles or some items. So for this one, this is the default view right here. So you can mirror item order on the site. So for in here, let's just choose these things right here. And then from in there, just choose to add the item. And then in here, you need to add new items since those are just presets. So just put in here an item. So for example, let's put in red dress. Then click on this image right here. Then search in here for an image of a red dress that you want. You can also upload your own images. Since you will be selling it, then it will be beneficial to look for dresses that are actually closer to the design that you have. So for me, I'll choose this one. Then click on add to item. And then in here, you can see the item right here. You can add in subtitle, page text, and all of those right here. But for me, I'll just save this for now. And then in here, you can also add things right here. So let's try to click on this. And let's click on try to put in the more actions. Then in here, you can also try to import items that you have. So for me, let's just open this one again. When you open it again, you should be able to actually edit it out again. So for now in here, on the item list, you should be able to see 2 item collections. So on the first item collection right here, you should be able to see the 4 items that we have added. So here's the item that we have added. So in the 4 items right here represents the 4 products that you have added it earlier. So the item list right here on the second is just a duplicate. So you can just click on the street else right here and click on delete right here. So let's try to delete this dynamic page. So if you remove this one right here, the content frame collection is still available on CMS. So let's try to delete this right here. So if you want to add a new dynamic page, you can actually just head over and click on this add dynamic pages. By the way, if this pop-up doesn't apply to you or doesn't show in front of you, what you can do is just head over to the pages and menu. Then from in here, you should be able to see the option for dynamic pages. So this is already a built-in from this content manager right here. So let's open the CMS and here you can see your collections and everything. So click on your collections and as you can see, the one that we have created right here is already right here. So if you want to create a new collection, just click on create collection right here and you should be able to create a new collection that will be represented by your dynamic page. So here's the dynamic page that we have created. Here it is right here. So once you're satisfied with everything, you can just head over and click on publish right here. And then this will publish your page. And in here, you can click on view site right here. Then once we have clicked on that, we should be able to see what the recent changes is on our site. So in here, you can just scroll down and in here, you should be able to see everything. So you can click on items. So this items right here is a dynamic page. So if this problem is actually on you right now, that means it will take some time or some seconds in order to successfully integrate the dynamic page in your site. So you can just wait it out, or you can also try to delete everything and then just create things for yourself and create it again. So that's the whole process. I hope you now know the Wix dynamic pages. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!